How to get the Threads badge on your Instagram profile easily. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First we need to open Instagram, and then from there, once the app loads up, tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap in the three lines in the top right corner, and then from there tap on this Threads button right here. If you can't find it, follow up with me. Again, go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have your Instagram app updated just like that. Once you make sure it is updated, go ahead and open the app again and tap on Threads button right here. Now once you tap there, you should be taken to this page right here. Tap on Get Threads. From there, tap on your Instagram profile at the bottom. Wait for a couple of seconds. Once you log into Threads just like that with the Instagram account, you should get back to Instagram and go to your profile, and you'll find this badge right here. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you for watching.